Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It is February 22nd. We have 11 days left until Valentine's Day. Today is also Groundhog Day. So I have posted a video here for you guys that kind of talks about Valentine's Day and the purpose and what it means. Okay, so I have that for you to watch so you can kind of have some fun this morning with that. And I'm not sure when we'll be able to know. I think it's already happened. So maybe you can let me know and email me. um, World news. We have not watched News Quiz. We had that big celebration for Dojo Points on Thursday last week when we would have normally watched it. So I have posted it here for you guys. So this was from last week, January 28th news quiz. So make sure you watch that to get some world news and goes along kind of with our unit of history and understanding what's going on in the world today. I will post a lesson from today when it gets posted. And we have into why. You have your word study, vocabulary. You have, okay, let me explain this one more time. Okay, your vocabulary. You choose what part of speech it is. So, like fight, is it a noun, which is a person, place, or thing? Is it an action word, which is a verb? Or is it a describing word, which is an adjective? So, fight, fighting, or fight is an action word, it's a verb. Action word. Okay, you don't need to add a picture. You write the definition. Now, if you just choose to write your own definition, that is fine. But I still want you to know that you are doing the correct definition. So I always type in fight or define, fight. Okay, to take part in a violent struggle involving an exchange of physical blows or the use of weapons. So, like, I'm pretty sure, like in this case, it'd be like the combat and fighting for our vocabulary or our unit this month. So, it's okay if you copy it. And a lot of us are like, wait, it doesn't look right because it gives like a bunch of the URLs like that. Okay. So, but if you click on it, it shows the definition again. So that is perfectly fine. You will do 3. Now, I suggest, because I can see what you do, and it shows everything you either highlight, copy, paste, make marks on your reading, on your vocabulary. So I would do this. Here's 1. I did number 1. There's more to do. Like I said, just choose the part of speech and write the definition. Number 2. Okay. And then we have 3. We're going to start 3 every day. 3. Okay. Then I would start up like tomorrow, we'll start again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So make sure you're doing that, and it'll help me and you understand how many we're at each day. So you have your word study. I put part of speech and definition only. That's crazy here. Read chapter 1 again and complete. You guys got comprehension questions to complete today. So you're going to read the chapter, complete the comprehension questions, and then let's do our writing together. We are correcting the sentences, edit the document. A capital letter begins each sentence. Titles of books have capital letters. People's names have capital letters. Names of places have capital letters. A period goes at the end of each sentence. Look for 6 words that need a capital letter and 4 words that are in 4 places that need a period. So this is what we are looking for. I'm going to get my red marker out. Of course, we need a capital letter here. It's the beginning of a sentence. This is a book report about fighting for freedom. Freedom's going to get capitalized. We're going to put this is a book report about fighting for freedom by Molly Molly's going to get capitalized. And Tittle, I guess, is her last name. And then that completes that sentence, so we put a period. The colonists had to fight a war to be free from Great Britain. Great Britain is a location, it's already capitalized for us. George Washington. Washington is his last name, that needs to be capitalized. George Washington helped the army win battles, period. It's a complete thought. End of sentence. The colonists, capital T, the colonies became the United States, period. I like this story because it shows that hard work gets rewarded. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 places that I need a period. So yes, I have 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. We got them all. All right. If you need to pause it so you guys can finish yours on N2Y. And then that next slide is just making sure that we did all of that. So yes, 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 we did all of those things. And then for math, yesterday was adding to 100. Today is subtracting to 100. And you will also have positive and negative numbers, and that is review. And 2Y is a good it does a good what am I trying to think of? It does good at explaining it to you, I think, in the slides. So if you need help with that, let me know, and I will definitely get on and have a video chat with you about positive and negative numbers. If you are still needing help after you're done watch or understanding what it is, please remember that you also have your math notes on Google Slides. So I would just search math. If you don't have it, let me know. You should, though, because I shared it with you. And always refer to your math notes there, and that will help you. Number line as well. And here we use our number lines with positive, negative numbers. Our next box is read this chart. So yesterday you were learning about the different graphs, and you made your own graph about how you or what job you wanted to be when if you were a colonist. Today we are just finding the difference between 2 sets of data. So we have boys and girls here. So that's our 2 different things that we're charting or graphing, I guess, for our bar graphs. We have fast food, a dog walker, a movie theater, and a grocery store. This is your favorite high school job. So here we're just how many more boys voted for dog walkers than girls. So we have dog walkers. How many boys do we have? Dog walker. So we have 4 boys and 2 girls. So how many more boys voted for dog walkers than girls? Well, we're going to count up. 1, 2. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So our answer here is 2. It will read it to you, so go ahead and complete that on your own.
There's more to do.
You have the same life skills application for today. So go ahead and complete that again. Maybe you want to email me a time you were angry and what you did, or what you should have done now that you learned how to deal with anger. Okay, yesterday I did teach a lesson on how to brush, or the steps to brushing teeth. We are starting to brush our teeth here at school in the mornings after breakfast. The lesson I recorded, it was a little difficult because it stopped. There's just a lot going on yesterday. So there's 3 different videos for one lesson. I was trying to figure out how to put them all together last night, and I couldn't. So you may just have to watch the 3 different videos, which is fine. It's just 3 instead of all together 1. And then I have the different, I'll have a Google slide for you to fill out so you guys can put all that stuff in order. And then I will check that. But we're not going to worry about that right now until I get that uploaded on YouTube and I send you the Google slides. So don't worry about your life skills for today in your transition binder. But I will send yesterday's lesson for you. Okay, my CK12 science people, I'm going to repeat this again. You must read and watch the videos before answering the questions. Some of us are just going right to the questions and we're done in like 5-10 minutes. That is not learning. That is not what we are supposed to be doing for science on CK12. CK12, when you log in, so today is classifying stars. You choose classifying stars, okay? I know it'll say right here, start. You don't want to start because you haven't learned it yet. You must scroll to the bottom and there's the reading and the videos to watch. So I'm going to be watching to be sure that you are watching the video and reading before you do the questions. Okay? This isn't just I assign it, you get it done. That's not the way this goes. Okay? If you're not understanding what I'm trying to tell you right now, I will get on a Google Hangout with you and we will figure out how to or what to do in order for you to be able to read, watch the video, answer the questions. It is done in that order. Okay? It's not just you guys at home either. It's us here at school. And I had to be sure that I just wanted to remind you. Okay? I just reminded you. So, let me just check one more time. All right. So I will be posting this. There's a lot of different videos to watch this morning before starting on into why. So be sure that you are doing the groundhog video, the world news, your Valentine's Day countdown, and then you can go ahead and start your lessons for today. Okay. Hope everyone has a great day.